A common problem with traditional RTD sensors is moisture ingress. There are multiple causes for this problem, including improperly seated O-rings, loose compression nuts, and even moisture trapped inside during sensor installation. During washdown, moisture can enter the head chamber and become trapped inside with the wiring and electronics. Harsh chemicals used to maintain sanitary equipment can quickly degrade plastic housings and rubber seals, further allowing moisture ingress. Also, covers and connections can become loose from thermal cycles and vibration. Moisture ingress causes the temperature signal to drift, sending incorrect values to the PLC. Incorrect measurements due to drift cause unsafe operation, quality issues, and product recalls. Moisture and corrosion damage the sensing element, electronics, and wiring, causing inaccurate signal values. The TD series temperature transmitter features a stainless steel laser-welded one-piece housing, eliminating moisture ingress points. The TD series is rated IP69K to withstand close-range, high-pressure, high-temperature washdown environments. Additionally, it is constructed of 316 stainless steel to protect against the harsh corrosives used during washdown procedures in sanitary environments. This ensures an accurate measurement at the instrument and accurate values at the PLC, eliminating drift due to moisture ingress and corrosion.